Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Keshav Khande and today my subject is a static instance and abstract methods in Java. So now we will discuss about the static instance and abstract methods in Java. First of all, discuss about the static method. The static method is the method which can declare is the class more than rather than an instance of the class. This means is used to call this method variable and object of the static method are used in a something is called class method. A static method is a class rather than a method, often the rather than and outside in the class and instance of the class. Every instance of a class has access to the method. Then static method is used to the access of the variable about using the main object. Only static data is not used to the maybe. Static method is used to the access data that is used to the not declare in a method. In both static method can have accessed many directly, and then discuss about the instance method. Instance method at the code of the perform is used to the static something this program in size of the onto the object logical and main concept of the from the other method. Instance method can have access instance variable instance method directly and indirectly. Instance method can access static method calling instance method call by instance method do not you cannot call the instance method is used to the static method directly. Then discuss about the abstract method. Can only be used is an abstract class and it does not have the body. Instance body is the provided by the subclass is object. It is an object oriented programming language. Then abstraction is defined as the handling of the implementation and show only functionality is called abstraction. Unnecessary directly from the and focus on essential details. Abstraction cannot be achieved in an abstract class and method of the class. Keyword within in abstract class is used to not have the definition is called abstract method. Abstract class when you need the sometime declaration in a superclass. It can have achieved by declaring the method of the abstract. So this is from my side. Thank you all of you.